y'all. Well, today I am unboxing a new DAC. This one, let's see if I can figure out, when did I get this one? I wanted this one because it reminds me of one of my cats. Well, I can't tell you. And so I ordered it. It is Attitude. And it reminds me so much of Wally. So I had to have it. Attitude is a round drill. It is 42 by 50. It is actually not Mandy Manzano. So, there you go. So, let's see what it looks like. Alright, so Attitude has 19 colors. One of them is an AB. Oh, so let's see. Alright, as far as the drills go, they were boxed on March 15th. So let's get into the canvas. Let's see. Oh, try to roll this one back a little bit. Get it to lay flat. I don't know why these don't want to roll backwards. It really doesn't. Definitely looks like my Wally. I mean, look at that. So the ABs are up here in the sky. They are also here in the whiskers and in some of the highlights of the cat. That is going to be so pretty. Definitely looks like my Wally. Yeah, definitely looks like Wally. So, let's see if this is a daisy chain or if they're all just thrown in there. So, here we go with the noise. Yep, I'm going to have to mark these off. Oh, okay. Because it's a menagerie. It's just a menagerie. Okay, let's find a pen of some kind. Well, there we go. We'll do a Sharpie. So, 141, I found the ABs. They're so bright and shiny. Alright, so I can mark those off. Alright, 310. We have some 310 life going on. But not a whole lot of it. Just one little baggie. Yes, it's only 19 colors, so we're going to suffer through this together. There's 317. There's more 317. Alright, I'm looking for more of the gray. Really don't see it. No, okay. This is 414. There is 413. 38, 34. That's an interesting color. It's peach. Maybe that's in the sky. Then 38.61. 37.99. More 37.99. There are a lot of like grays. Here's dark blue, $9.39, $9.39. These are both $9.39. $8.23. Any more? Yep, $8.23, which is a darker blue. And then more $8.23. So I have 3 packs of $8.23. Okay. 37.70. There's some more 413. There's some more 310. 37.99. Okay. 38.61. I've already got that one. 6.44. 6.48. 30.23. 33.71. 9.51. 7.54. There's more 4.14. 51. There's more 9.39. More 9.39. Let's see. 9.51. 30.33. I'm looking for one more color. That is 38.61. That's kind of a, I don't know, is that a, kind of like a beige? 6.48. I've already marked that. There's 7.79. That's on like a brown. It's like a brown. And the rest I have marked off. Okay. So, I have all the colors. And I had this one on my wish list for a while because it looks so much like Wally. And yeah, I just had to break down and go ahead and get it. I was waffling on it for a while. And then I just decided, oh, what the heck. All the bills were paid. And I just decided, go for it. Why not? Why not? I've taken care of all my responsibilities. And I wanted it. So, heck, why not? Okay. So, there we go. 19 colors. It's a pretty dark image. Get that to come on. Yeah, like I said, my webcam hates me right now, and I kind of hate it too. So. There. All right. I tell you what, I really, really like these little lists of your colors. Not only does it help you with checkoff, but you can run it through your Xyron machine. Yep. And once you get it through your Xyron machine, then you can use it on your containers. instead of having to like put this on your scanner and print it out. So yeah. And I hope that DAC continues to do that. They are very nice. Alright, so I'm going to put this back in the box. I'm going to stick the beads back in the box, the drills. I am not going to put the pin back in the box. I just don't see the point. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that is Attitude. And until I get a chance to do the next unboxing, bye y'all. Have a great night.